on how to be motivated every day. Ask yourself a few questions every morning. After you wake up and say a little prayer, ask yourself some empowering questions like, why am I doing this? For whom am I doing this? This will help you motivated every start of the day. Start slow. Instead of jumping into something at a full speed, start slow. When you do that, your mind will not visualize the task as something hard you have to do fast. If your mind sees such things, guess what often happens? Yes, you don't get started. Don't fear for failure. Instead, redefine it as a feedback and as a natural part of a successful life. As Habiana Hamilton said, if you fail, never give up because FAIL means first attempt in learning. Compare yourself to others. Comparing what you have and your result to what other people have and have accomplished can really kill your motivation and it up your self-doubt. These are always people ahead of you, so focus on you and your results and how you can and have improved them. Figure out why you're doing something. Think of your family, friends, and your inspiration that depends and trust on you. Learn to think more positively most of the time. Learn to let go of the negative threads of thoughts before they have a chance to take hold of you. Make each day count. Focus on today and do the things you really want to do. Even if it's not your day. As one quote said, tomorrow is another day to be motivated. Write down your goals and reasons for working towards them. Using a paper, write down your goals and tape them in your walls so that every day when you read it, you will feel motivated. And lastly, get out of your comfort zone. Face your challenges to get a real boost of motivation. It can help you get started and take that first clear step outside of your comfort zone.